Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm of February. I know I am late to the game, but I couldn't do an unboxing video without the box. It came a few days ago. In case that you don't know that, I live in Germany and I'm using a forwarding service to get the Boxycharm box in Germany. If you are new to this type of videos, the Boxycharm is a subscription box service. The cost of it is $25 for 5 products, 5 full-size products. I need to correct that. Boxycharm offers 3 plans, the base, premium and luxe. This one here is the base box and it is the 3rd box that I'm getting. Let me know in the comments if you want me to try another subscription service, and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. Let's start unboxing. The first product that I have here is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia eyeshadow palette. The price for this one is $38.99. This is how it looks. The packaging is adorable. It is gorgeous. I don't have any other products by this brand and I was very happy to get this one. So these are the colors that we have. They are super beautiful. This green here is in my inner corner. I have used almost all of the eyeshadows for this eye look. I'm going to post my review in a couple of days, so stay tuned. My husband also chose 2 colors. This one here is called Heat and also Vacation. These 2 here, and I didn't know what to do, but I think it looks nice. Yes? Say yes. This palette is cruelty free. It is made in PRC and this brand is from the US. We are getting 24 grams of product and these are the beautiful eyeshadows that we have. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a specific eye look with this palette. We also have this beautiful mirror. The packaging is adorable. I like that it is thin. Let's continue with the next one. And it looks like skincare, and this is by the brand Vida, inspired by nature. It is the Age Away Hydrating Cream to firm, hydrate and repair your skin. Also it contains evening primrose seed. I have never seen again this ingredient. Maybe they are harvesting the roses in the evening. I don't know, guys. We have a list here of all of the ingredients that it doesn't contain. Also the benefits. It is gluten free and vegan friendly. I have never heard of this brand before. It says that you can use this product daily. So let's see the actual product. Ta-da! This one is for normal to dry skin. I have dry and sensitive skin, so most likely this is gonna work for me. I don't like that it doesn't have SPF, so most likely I'm gonna use this at night. This one is made in Israel and it is distributed from Vida USA. The whole packaging is super cute. We have also some leaves on the box. I want to see if we have a rose scent. Oh, it's closed. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Yeah. Ooh. It's yellow. I applied a lot, my friend. Why? The scent is very light. It is like a natural scent of roses. It smells very nice. The consistency is a little bit thicker, like a balm almost. I'm gonna use it as a hand cream. No waste. This one is not very sticky. It feels a little bit heavier on the skin, but I think for the face that's fine. You need something very hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. So it's been a couple of minutes because my battery died and I needed to change it. So my skin feels a lot less heavier, and the price for this one is, drumroll please, so this one is $55 for 50 milliliters. Let's continue with this cutie pie here. This one is by the brand Wonder Beauty and it is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. This one is a multitasking tinted and clear balm for hydrated lips and cheeks. Blends seamlessly into skin for a natural finish. Okay, let's open and see how the product looks. Ooh, it's bougie. It's super cute. It is like having 2 face products together. Drawers. Oh, the color of it is gorgeous. I love peachy corally blushes. They are my thing. And we also have one more product. This one here. This one is a clear balm It looks amazing. So I'm going to swatch the blush. This one blends out super easily and it looks very natural. I don't see a lot of pigmentation. Most likely you need to apply more product and build up the intensity. I would like to have more color payoff, but I need to use it on top of foundation and see how it looks. I'm gonna let this dry for a couple of seconds. I want to see if we need to set it with some powder products, with a setting powder. This one is definitely scentless. Also, let's see about the balm. Oh my god, we have a mirror! I found it now! Okay, this is very compact and the price for this one is $22. I'm going to use both of these in a testing video, so make sure to click that bell, the notification bell. After that, we have something huge. This one is by the brand Hanskin and it is a Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. It is a 5-in-1 product. It says it is moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing and also skin softening. Also it has an 11-free system and it doesn't contain a lot of harsh ingredients, so that's fantastic. I really want to try this and see if it does any difference for my skin because it is very dry these days. Also the weather is getting colder. In March we want spring weather. Let's open it to see the beautiful product. Ooh, this is a lot. I don't have a very big experience with essences. Oh my god! So this one retails for $46 and we have 300 milliliters, so you can try it for 1 week, 2 weeks and see if it actually works for you. Okay, so let's do a checkup for the blush. It is a lot less stickier than before and maybe you don't need to set it with a powder. Up next we have this product here. It is by the brand Scent Luxe Limited Edition Liner Duo. Woohoo! We have one more duo. Boxycharm is spoiling us. We don't say no. And what else? So this product is made in China and it is also cruelty free. And let's open them. We have these beautiful lip pencils and the colors look chocolatey and delicious. I have here the shade Secret Admirer. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, we lost the tip. Here is the tip. I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, it's creamy. And I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing here. And this is the color. Ooh, it gets a little bit stiffer. That's not so bad for lip liners. That means it's gonna stay on the lips and it's not gonna smudge and feather. We don't want that. The formula is very promising. I like that initially it is creamy and then it is setting. Also now it's not sticky at all. The color is amazing. Let's go to the other shade. It is called Love Letter and let's hope we have the tip intact. Yay! It's super creamy. This one has a warmer undertone. No, I broke it. Let's continue with the tip again. These colors are definitely for any skin tone, any season, any hour. The lip liner duo is $40. Oh my god. These are super expensive and they are breaking so easily. I'm gonna give this base box by Boxycharm 5 stars. I think the variety is great. These are makeup products that I will definitely use and the overall value is, drumroll again, $202. Yes, speechless. Let me know in the comments if you like the products of this box. Also, if you are subscribed to Boxycharm, what products you got, and you can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!